Hi everyone, welcome to my channel! Ah! I'm finally on YouTube. Oh my god, you guys. I'm finally on YouTube. You thought that I wouldn't get here, but here I am. So I'm really terrible at editing, and I tried to do, the Instagram thing for a while, and Instagram's been getting really popular, and everybody said they wanted to see YouTube videos, so here I am. My name is Kieley. I'm a makeup artist from Rochester, New York. I'll talk a little bit more about myself in the video. But if you want to see me review the Zulu palette by Juvia'S, then keep on watching. Here are the swatches of the palette. Oh god. I'm sorry, you can't see the orange one. But obviously, the eyeshadow is extremely pigmented, and you can see it on my eyes now too. It's, a little bit of a spoiler, but it's awesome. This eyeshadow palette is awesome. It came so quickly. Today, filming this, it is May 9th. I ordered this palette on May 5th, and it got here at 10:30 this morning, before I was even ready to film. I was gonna film a Met Gala look, I was gonna film, this other stuff. I was gonna film a Ms. Cracker, and then my Juvia'S Zulu palette came in the mail, and I was like, oh no, I'm filming with this palette today. This is awesome. So then I opened it outside. I came inside, I swatched it. Girl, I was like, I'm doing this video right now. And apparently I was so psyched to do it that I didn't roll my camera. So basically this eye has this teal color initially worked into the crease, before we put anything else on. Then we took this aqua shimmery color and we built the crease up a little bit more. Then I cut the crease with some concealer. I put this green eyeshadow on a packing brush and I packed it down onto the lid over top of the concealer. And then I took this purple shade and I blended it with the blues and the green into the inner corner and created this. And then I realized that my camera wasn't rolling. So next on this eye, because it's not completely finished, I'm gonna go back into this teal color with a little pencil brush. I'm gonna work that under the eye. So another thing that I did in this video was I talked a little bit about myself, and now I'm gonna have to do that all over again. So now I'm gonna give you the too long didn't read version of it. Just take that same pencil brush and wipe it off. Or if you have another pencil brush, which I do not, because I do not use them frequently, I'm going to dip back into that green color. And I'm just going to work that together with the blue. And then again, after wiping it off, I'm going to go into the purple and do the same thing on the outer corner, just to give it that little gradient. Then if you notice that there are any harsh lines or fallout, just come in with a buffing brush and kind of buff that together, soften it up. Alright, so going in with a clean tapered blending brush, I'm gonna start with this orange color. I take that right into the crease. So as I've already said in my intro, my name is Kieley. I am a makeup artist from Rochester, New York. I'm 20 years old. I've been doing makeup professionally for 5 years. I'm self-taught, I used to do makeup for 585 magazine. If you want to look it up, it's Kieley Burnham. I used to do makeup for the fashion column. I know there's video of me working somewhere. But yeah, it was a great thing to start doing makeup so young. I've always had enthusiasm for makeup. I've always known that it was my passion and that it was something I wanted to do. But I definitely put it on the back burner because I was in high school and I needed to get a job that paid a little bit more, and I was more, you know, just marketing myself at that point rather than making money. So once you have that blended out to a sunset perfection, I'm gonna go back in with this matte hot pink red color on that same tapered brush. Oh, pigment girl. Oh, that was a lot. Oh, the pigment. So yeah, I had stopped doing makeup for a while. I went and saw a lot of live music. You know, I enjoyed being a high schooler, doing that stuff. And then when I graduated, my passion kind of came back to makeup, and I started working on my craft again, you know, getting myself out of the rusty zone. And now I'm like ready to come back, baby. I'm done from hiatus. I'm done. I'm ready. I hope you guys are ready because I'm not going anywhere. Alright, so again, we're gonna cut the crease halfway. I'm using the Maybelline Master Camo Color Correcting Palette. And so yeah, now I'm on YouTube at long last after a long time of working and filming content. But I'm really happy because, you know, it's grown so fast for me. Real quick, just taking this yellow color with the packing brush, and I'm gonna pop that over the concealer. But you know, it's grown really fast for me. I'm absolutely overwhelmed with the support and the love from everyone who I have talked to. Everybody's been so nice. I have gained so many followers on Instagram since just April 19th when I made my business Instagram. You know, it's been really, really nice, and I really want to thank you guys for the support. And I know that some of the people from Instagram will be watching this YouTube, and you guys are my OGs, so thank you guys so much for helping me build confidence to get to YouTube and, you know, making me really consider the fact that my craft is good. It makes me feel so awesome, and all of your love has been so unbelievably beneficial to my confidence and has just overall made me so happy. So thank you guys so much. I don't know what I would do without all of these loving people around me. And that also goes for at home. Real quick, I'm gonna take some of this gold, rosy, shimmery color on a blending brush, and I'm just gonna work that in a little bit with the yellow to transition it into the red. Now I'm gonna do the same thing I did with the under eye on this eye, except for with the colors on this eye. So I've already taken the yellow down quite a bit. I'm gonna fill in with the red color starting on the outer corner. And then I'm gonna transition into the orange. And into the yellow. And just kind of blend the three together. So last but not least, I'm gonna go back in and highlight my face because there was a lot of fallout. Again, using that French Vanilla highlighter from Kieley. Oh, we have the same name except for not really. So before I put on mascara or fake lashes, I'm going to spritz myself down with a little bit of setting spray. I do not make cute faces. I'm sorry, but I'm actually not. I'm really not sorry. This is my face. I don't wear masks. Now I'm gonna go pop on a pair of fake eyelashes off camera because if you thought that I didn't make cute faces when I was doing my makeup, you should see how I look when I put on fake eyelashes. Oh girl. I'm going to use the Kieley lip kit in the shade Apricot to line and fill in my lips. I really love this lip liner, but it's super fragile. So be very careful when you're sharpening it. Taking the Apricot liquid lip. Smells so good. I seriously want to eat this lipstick. Alright, so now that our eyelashes are completely dried down, I'm going to just go in with a little bit of Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. This is basically a dupe for Benefit Roller Lash, so if you have no money and you're looking for Benefit Roller Lash, Maybelline got you, girl. Just a little bit to blend the fake lashes together. And to give the lower lash line a little bit of drama and darkness. I'm gonna go do my hair and I will be right back. So my final thoughts? Girl. The Juvia'S Zulu palette is one of the best eyeshadow palettes I've ever used. Alright you guys, so my final thoughts on the Juvia'S Zulu palette. Amazing. 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 Girl, look at that. Oh my god. Like, if you like to wear cool eyeshadow colors that are like really funky and out of this world, this is your holy grail. This is a whole rainbow look in one. Like, this is mind-blowing. And I have never had fast shipping like this from any other company. I've never had this pigmented of eyeshadow in one swipe. Like, there was too much pigment for me at one point. I was like, oh my god, I put so much of this on here. I didn't need this much. Like, this eyeshadow knocks so many eyeshadows out of the park. So many eyeshadows that I swore by. Thank you, Juvia'S Place. Thank you. You can take all my money. You can take all my money. because I'll give it all to you. But yeah, so that's the completed look, and I'm off. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did like it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more from me. I will be posting weekly, trying to post bi-weekly, and I'll be coming at you with more cool looks like this. Coming up, I have a Met Gala 2018 look. I have a Ms. Cracker inspired drag look, and I have several other really cool looks coming your way, so be sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Thank you so much, and I hope you guys all have a great day.